decode the wild world of digital money.
Ever accidentally tossed a hard drive? Well, James Howells did, and he threw away 8,000 bitcoins. Crazy, right? He's literally still digging through a landfill today. Talk about a high-stakes digital reality.
So, cryptocurrency is exactly what it sounds like, digital money locked tight by secret cryptography.
The best part? It totally cuts out the middlemen. No central banks, just direct peer-to-peer transfers. This whole thing started in 2009 with Bitcoin, created by the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto.
Instead of a bank vault, it uses a blockchain. Think of it as a permanent, shared digital notebook.
Computers worldwide validate transactions by solving complex puzzles, permanently linking new blocks of data. Zero cheating allowed. We call these puzzle solvers miners. For their hard work, they're rewarded with brand new crypto coins. Now, beyond Bitcoin, a massive ecosystem of alternative and even joke meme coins has totally exploded. You store these in wallets. Hot wallets are online and handy, while cold wallets are safely offline. Listen, never share your private key. It's basically your secret password and ultimate proof of ownership. Though meant for buying coffee, crazy volatility turned crypto into a highly speculative, wildly unpredictable investment.
Buying Bitcoin at $500 in 2016 could have landed you a seriously massive return.
But watch out, buying in May 2022 and selling in December meant taking a huge loss. This wild roller coaster is driven by pure speculation, media hype, and changing government regulations. It's a real trade-off. You get ultimate global flexibility, but face nasty scams with zero bank protection. Remember, if you're scammed, there's no central authority to reverse it. Your money is literally just gone. So do your research and ignore the hype. Without a safety net, are you ready for this?